Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this LG OLED65C27LA. This is a 65-inch LG 4K OLED evo television C2. Wow, this is a big screen, as you can see. It's not only available with 65 inches, it's also available in 42, 48, and 55. 55 is the standard way, I think. 65 inches is for a bigger room, like a living room. 77 inches or 83 inches are on the market too. Yeah, wow, this is really big. That means my 65-inch here is big enough for me, and of course, maybe for you too. With the LG OLED evo TV C2, is a nice choice. Thanks to the improved 4K OLED evo display with brightness booster, we can experience even more details. Brighter pictures with the usual deepest black and impressive Dolby Atmos sound, if we like. Because Dolby Atmos, maybe you have to try it, okay? If you like it, use it, of course. But in our case, often it is so with Dolby Atmos. While we are looking at a movie, like an action movie or something, and there is an action scene, the action is so loud. But if there is a silent scene, it's so silent and you cannot hear the thing of talking. Gamers will also get their money's worth thanks to the memory features. That means we have a so fast response rating. That means gaming is possible on this OLED television. Experience it, say yourself. The 4K OLED evo television with brightness booster, that's for perfect black, rich colors, and even more brilliance. Alpha 9 Generation 5 4K AI processor with Artificial Intelligent Sound Pro, Artificial Intelligent Picture Pro, and Artificial Intelligent Brightness Control. Best picture and best sound are available with the Filmmaker mode, Dolby Vision IQ, and Dolby Atmos. It comes with an optimal HDR support with Cinema HDR. That means Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10 Pro, and HLG. This smart television with WebOS 22 comes with Google Assistant, Alexa, AirPlay 2, HomeKit, and Always Ready function. We have HDMI 2.1, NVIDIA G-SYNC, and AMD FreeSync for the gamers, and HGiG support, VRR, and ALLM with the new brightness booster. The self-illuminating LG OLED pixels are now even more expressive. It takes the picture improvement to the Alpha 9 Generation 5 4K AI processor to the next evolutionary level, and it provides up to 20%. This is 2 times more luminosity. Thanks to the superior light efficiency, the image now looks even more brilliant than ever. The intelligence behind the beauty is really simple. It comes with the Alpha 9 Generation 5 4K Artificial Intelligent Processor. This uses deep learning algorithms to enhance foreground and background objects to give them a more natural depth. And quite incidentally, it also ensures spectacularly vivid and precise colors. Self-illuminating pixels achieve the deepest black tones for razor-sharp contrast, and that in all light situations. The images are even more clearly defined, allowing us to see even subtle details that our eyes would normally miss. The brand new Dynamic Tone Mapping Pro now goes one step further to improve the images. Previously, only interest scenes were enhanced. But now, up to 5,000 individually blocks are captured across the entire screen for an even more vivid HDR image, down to the smallest detail. The Alpha 9 Generation 5 AI processor upscales ordinary 2-channel audio into stunning 7.1.2 channel virtual sound. And then we can feel the action and the sounds all around us, if we were the main character of the movie. This elevates our gaming experience with the industry's first televisions to support Dolby Vision 4K gaming at 120 Hz. That's for smoother, more realistic gaming with an 0.1 milliseconds response time, NVIDIA G-SYNC compatibility and AMD FreeSync Premium, and VRR support. This is even ultra-fast actions appears crisp and smooth, baby. And it comes as an OLED, an organic light emitted diode. This is also known as an organic electroluminescent diodes. This is a light emitted diode, an LED, in which the emissive electroluminescence layer is a film of organic compound that emits the light in response to an electric current. This organic layer is situated between two electrodes. Typically, at least one of these electrodes is transparent. The OLEDs are used to create digital displays in devices such as television screens like here. But this technology comes in computer monitors and portable systems such as smartphones and handheld games consoles in progress too. A major area of the research is developed with OLED devices is used in solid-state lighting applications. And this brings a really good television to us. This is the LG 4K OLED evo television C2. In this case, it's 65 inches. This is the LG OLED65C27LA television. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.